At 1:43 p.m., a thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 51 nautical miles southwest of Longbow Pass, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar.
What a surprise.
Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include D1 Reef. Your coastal